In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you add your house name on Google Maps quickly and easily. First, open your Google Maps app. At the top right corner, switch to satellite view so you can clearly see your area. Now zoom in and navigate to the exact location of your house. Once you find it, tap on the contribute button at the bottom. Next, tap on add place. To mark your house, tap edit map location. Drag and drop the pin exactly on your house and then tap done. Now you need to fill in details. Tap on place name and type the name of your house. For category, select residential or housing complex depending on your property type. Then enter your address correctly. Once everything is filled out, simply tap submit. Google will review it and after approval, your house name will appear on the map. And that's it. You have successfully added your house name on Google Maps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.